morning, guys. It is Friday, actually. I forgot that it was Friday. We're just in my bathroom. I'm about to wash my face, brush my teeth. This is a new cleanser that I've been using. I mentioned in my other vlog, but I am getting laser on my face for acne scars. You can like kind of see right here and here and here. Those are all like acne scars. They're just like pigmentation that's left over from acne. So I'm trying to get rid of them because they've been on my face for so long and literally nothing gets rid of them. It's like the rest of my face is good, but I always find myself like feeling the need to like wear concealer over top of them and stuff. And I really don't like wearing face makeup, so I would much rather just put on my sunscreen and go. Or like just wear concealer under my eyes when it's dark, but like that's it. I don't like to wear foundation or tinted moisturizer like on a daily basis. I only had one session so far, so we'll have to see. Yeah, and then I just go in with a Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. I'm getting the full size of this pretty soon. I actually do quite a bit because my face has been like a lot more dry because of the laser. Especially around my nose, which I've never had before, so. This is also the Avonay sunscreen. It's the same brand, but I think it's just Aven actually, not Avonay. But it just leaves a little bit of a white cast, so I still prefer my La Roche-Posay one, but I just put this one on because that's what I should be doing. Just gonna quickly do the bed here. On Sunday, we're gonna be removing like all of the carpet from the house. So Sundays are usually like my cleaning days, my big cleaning days. So I'm gonna move that to Saturday and just kind of do a little bit of cleaning today so that I get it all done. I got this really pretty nail polish yesterday and I put it on. It just looks so pretty. I always forget to put a moisturizer on, like lotion on my hands, and they're always so dry. Just gonna do that. I'm just also putting away some of the dishes from yesterday. Yesterday I made a matcha latte in the morning instead of like coffee because I don't know, it just felt better. I don't know, I felt like I didn't really want coffee, which is kind of odd because I used to drink coffee quite a bit. It was actually pretty good though. I actually dropped off, I just remembered I dropped off some stuff at the tailor a couple days ago. And he just said they needed 1 day, so I haven't gone and picked them up. So I should probably go pick them up. You guys know the drill with all my cleaning videos. I always start out with this degreasing like liquid stuff. I usually spray it on the oven. Do that on the inside. I usually actually take these out and I'll probably wash those. And then inside. And I just leave it open like that to like sit out. And then on the stove, actually I'm gonna need to wash these too. Just leave that to soak as well. And I also do it for my microwave. I usually just open up the microwave, take these out and wash them. Let it sit. So now I'm just gonna wash these up. I also took out my wipes that I'm probably just gonna wipe the counters with the wipes just to make it easier for myself. I don't really want to spend forever on the kitchen today because I want to get straight to work and like do my workout and stuff. What I'm gonna do with these, I'm gonna soak them in some dish soap and Clorox. I'm gonna put them like that in the container. My dad is like such a pro at cleaning the stove, not even a joke. It always turns like so shiny and so clean. I strive to have that level of expertise. Okay guys, so I just cleaned all of the stove stuff, all of the oven stuff. I'm gonna take a clean sponge. I'm gonna take the soap off of it, or the soap out of it. I'm gonna go over where I got that degreasing fluid and just scrub that out. I'm gonna rinse it out and do the same for the stove and the microwave. And then I typically like to take a dry rag and I just go over that to kind of get rid of all of the, just kind of to dry it off. I like to keep the oven open after I do this because I just want everything to dry off before we obviously use the oven to bake or cook anything in there. So I am putting these back on, just drying them off and putting them back on. And the next step before our final step is just to wipe off the countertop and start just cleaning off the countertop. So the last thing I'm going to do is just vacuum the kitchen. So, I usually work out in the mornings, as you guys probably saw in my last vlog, but I think this morning what I'm going to do is just go for a yoga workout instead of like a full-on HIIT workout, because I feel like I've been doing HIIT so much that my body is just like getting tired. But especially now because like I'm coming off of fasting in Ramadan, my body just doesn't want to eat as much. Like I just don't have the appetite. So like HIIT plus not eating that much is not a good combination, and I already like feel that in my body and I can see that. So I really want to just kind of like, I just want to like take it down, you know. I'm just gonna do a yoga workout. I used to do yoga so much, but now I haven't done it in a while, so I think it's gonna be nice just to like get back into it. I'm pretty sure I've done this one before. It's still loading the page, but it's a 15-minute full body stretch / yoga for stress and anxiety relief. Yeah, it looks like I've already done it before, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this one for today. And that's okay. I wanted to do a workout today, but you know what, some days like it's fine to like take it down a notch. Just listen to your body and like just be intuitive in that sense, you know?
A little bit of space and definitely a soft surface beneath you as in the back of your neck. Inhale as far as you can.
So I just finished that, and honestly that was exactly what I needed. I feel so much better right now. Just feeling good and relaxed, you know? I'm just heating up some almond milk right now that I'm going to pour into my cup because I'm making a matcha latte. My matcha right here, I usually don't add sugar to my latte or anything like that. I just add about like a teaspoon of the matcha powder. And I found the best way to like actually mix it up well and get it all dissolved is using one of these electric whisks. I'm just doing that. Look at these beautiful foamy bubbles. So like I mentioned before, my appetite's really not great, so I wasn't gonna eat anything, but then I was like, I really should eat something. So I am going to make this little omelet here. I literally just used an egg and some spring onions. I just put them on these little like toast cracker things. So today I actually have a video to upload. I finished pretty much all the editing already, but I'm just going to kind of finish that off and then upload it. And yeah, just have a few little things to do in that video. It's Friday. I'm actually just gonna watch a Friday khutbah, or like a sermon kind of. Yeah, seeing that it's Friday. Okay, guys, so I'm just getting ready right now. My face is so dry. It's actually not even, my face and my lips and everything is like, it's just so dry. But I'm gonna be filming a get ready with me. So right now I'm just sort of prepping. I finished my nails. I did my nails again and I put a top coat on it. So hopefully this time it's not gonna chip. But I feel like this lotion is so watery. I just got it yesterday. I thought it would be like thicker than that. But yeah, I think I was gonna straighten my hair a bit, but I think I'm not gonna do that now that I'm thinking about it again. My feet also get dry. Literally everything gets dry. If you guys have a good recommendation for a really moisturizing lotion, let me know, because your girl is in need. I have sunscreen on my face already and everything. Just trying to figure out what I want to do with my hair. I'm gonna wear this scrunchie too that my grandma made me. So I just braided the ponytail. As you guys know, we gotta protect the skin, so put some sunscreen on the body, my feet. This is my favorite. It smells so good and it's so easy to just spray on. And now I think I'm gonna film my get ready with me. So I just finished filming a get ready with me for my makeup look right here. It's very neutral and kind of natural because yeah, we don't need too much. But yeah, I just kind of focused on like, you know, those like little scarring areas of my face and kind of more skin, you know. But yeah, this is the aftermath of it. I dropped powder on my bed sheets, but you know what, it's all good, no one's gonna notice that. I'm just kidding, it doesn't really show, but I just kind of like took it off and everything. But I'm gonna pick up all of this makeup right now because honestly, we are just, I just literally tossed all my makeup in this clear bag. I'm gonna have to wash my brushes too, the ones I always use the Sephora makeup brush, like daily cleaner, for just wiping off my brushes quickly. I think it has like tea tree oil or something like that in it. I found it works pretty well, so. This is just for like daily use, and then I clean them off with an actual cleanser. And that one's also from Sephora. It's like a brush shampoo. I'll show you guys it right now actually, because I'm gonna clean off my beauty blender with it. Just wet my beauty blender. So after I wet it, I take the shampoo. It looks like this. I just put a couple of pumps in my hand, and then I go in and just sort of do that. And once you squeeze it out, look, I'll show you. See that? Obviously add water again to the beauty blender, and I keep squeezing until it's clear. There we go. Okay, so I'm on my way out. I'm gonna go grab those pants from the tailor. Dropped them off like a couple days ago, so I'm gonna go get them. I'm gonna think if I need anything before I leave. Does anyone else do that? Like forget everything before they leave? All right, so I'm currently on my way out. Dang, it's hot outside. I mean, not outside. It's hot in the car, not outside. And I picked them up. They are just in the back. I just put them right here. I had 2 jeans and a t-shirt. So that t-shirt is for my husband. 2 jeans are for me. Just gotta get them, just had to get them tightened a bit. But yeah, that's about it. So now we're on the way back. I think I might pick up some sweets on my way back home just because we're invited somewhere. So I just made it to the sweets store. I wasn't gonna come this far, but I ended up coming. The store is just really good. My mask on. Just got home. I thought I would show you guys the pants. I showed these in my I Hate Outfits video. No, not these ones. The ones I'm wearing, but they're all the same style, like boyfriend jeans. He just tightened them for me at the top. And then my blue ones, these ones I wore in the actual video. These ones I'm gonna wear night, I think. So yeah. And then my husband's shirt. He just had a little rip in it, so he just fixed it for him. I also want to show you guys what sweets I picked out. So I got these. We're invited tonight, so that's why I got these. So I got these right here. Don't want to touch them too much. My hands are clean, don't worry. It's called Hirisi. So it looks like that. It's really good. But here I got 3 little cakes. These ones, we'll keep them, but they're so cute. There is a strawberry one. This is just chocolate, I think. This is a tiramisu one, and it looks so good. They all look delicious. I'm just gonna continue working on my video on my laptop here while I eat some of these pineapples. So for the second recipe, we're making banana bread pudding, and honestly this was alrighty guys, I just finished editing that, so I'm going to go ahead and make the thumbnail on my phone as always. So yeah. So in about an hour and a half, we're gonna be going down to have some dinner at a friend's house. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna call my grandma because I'm gonna go to her house and just see her for a little bit, and then I gotta go water the plants at my dad's house, and then we'll probably just end up going. But I will try to fit in some, but I do want to try to fit in some Quran, so I'll do that as well. Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you? Look at my grandma's beautiful flowers. It's so beautiful, mashallah. It's all blossomed now. It's like a pink fuchsia rose color. So beautiful. Let's ring the doorbell.